Hello everyone. In today's session, we will briefly talk about cloud computing. At its core, cloud computing revolutionizes the way we manage and utilize computing resources. And when we talk about cloud computing, Microsoft Azure stands out as a leader in providing innovative solutions for businesses worldwide. Azure Microsoft Cloud Platform offers a comprehensive suite of services, including compute power and storage, tailored to meet the evolving needs of modern businesses. So let's quickly move on and discuss what is cloud computing. Just like when you shop for your own computer, cloud computing lets you choose the power and features you need to run your software. The difference is, with cloud computing, the PC is in the cloud provider's data center instead of physically with you. Plus, someone else gets to manage and upkeep of the computer. Each cloud provider will have their own selection of services to choose from. But the basic services provided by all the cloud providers are compute power and storage. Compute power is how much processing your computer can do. For example, when buying a home computer, you may choose a computer with 8 gigabytes of RAM and the latest processor to run the software you need today. But as the load on the computer grows, you find that it slows down. With cloud computing, you can add and remove compute power as you need it. This saves on cost since you only pay for the resources you use. Storage is the volume of data you can store on your computer. A traditional computer has limited hard drive space. Over time, you may have to run out and buy another hard drive to store more data. But with cloud computing, you can request more storage as you need. Cloud providers manage the upkeep of the computer, so you don't have to. They will make sure that there are backups, that the operating system is up and running, and it is always running 24 hours a day. That's it for today. Thank you.